The calm before the storm, people. Well, I don't think it's the calm before the storm because I see snowflakes. This is the before shot or video of Union Street, Elsipogtog. We're almost 5 o'clock p.m. Atlantic Standard Time. I'll take another video after. Okay, it's like 10:30 at night, and there we have it. The blizzard is here. Okay, 11 o'clock tonight. This is my street. There's a foot of snow on the ground already. Let's go at the light. That's a lot of effing snow. Now, I gotta make my way down to work. Whew, it's gonna be a fun drive. The day after. Yeah. Well, there you have it. From 5 o'clock last night, and now it's 9 o'clock in the morning. The day after, and it's freaking cold. So, have a fun day, and a warm day if you're down south. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Whew.